here at the Helena River Walk, or the Boardwalk at Helena River Park. There's the Helena Bridge. Island Capri Casino's over as well, but about 40 feet out or so is the river's not supposed to start. So it just finally receded to where we can come over here and as you can see, driftwood, when it was up over this, just came right on in here, slammed and got stuck. It's pretty impressive. Nobody put that on there. Like all this. I'm supposed to be walking on. You should be able to look down and see land right now. You know, normally. But old Mississippi's got a mind of her own. Anyway, yeah. It's pretty impressive. Get out there and enjoy nature, people. Later.